Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu, Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class, subject Intelligent Test. From this video, we are going to start the new topic which is a classification और उसके अंदर सब टॉपिक है वर्ड्स. तो ये नया टॉपिक है और इसका ये लेक्चर फर्स्ट है. और इसके लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात क्या है, तो क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ वर्ड्स. तो लेटर ऑन द नंबर्स और वी कैन से द फिगर्स आल्सो देयर. बट तो क्लासिफिकेशन क्या है, एग्जैक्टली मीनिंग आपको बताओ कि क्लासिफिकेशन इज समथिंग इज देयर, we have to make a segregation in a grouping or means something separations on the basis of their similarity, or we can say their properties, or we can say their specifications, or we can say their visualization on something basis, something common platform, on something common things we have to make that something group that called the classify, or we can say the classification. To doing that the classify actions, we can say the classification. Now in this subtopic particularly related to the words means the vocabulary, so student must have the very good vocabulary, must know the meaning of words. Okay, even in different angles we have to look not only the words in synonyms or antonyms, something different angles we have to make it the grouping for the four categories words. So there are the four groups, or we can say the four options are there, or we can say the four words are given. Out of that four, three something have common things, or we can say the common properties, and the another means, or the we can say the fourth one is the something different, so that we have to choose. Okay, so that is the main purpose of this unit, or we can say the topic. So student must have to find out that different terms on their means language skill basis, we can say, or general knowledge on that particular language. So vocabulary very important. Please read maximum words, get it the information, get it the know about the particular words. Okay, and related the means not only the noun, or we can say the not only the verbs, means adjective also, or we can say the pronouns, different parts of the words, or we can say the they're categorizedly, even as per the common things given in feature, or we can say the grammar basis, like this one. So for this topic, students reading and knowing the information which are available in your surrounding, that is very important. So that's why now the intelligent test, this subject is now going in a second step, like this one. So previously comprehensions means the only where how much we are understanding, that is as per the instruction there is answer. But now here the instructions are not given, here the four words are given, and we have to choose the different one on our particularly knowledge base, or we can say the skill basis. So you're reading about particularly words or English language, very important. Okay, so we are going to start the examples. So now the question number one, there is no instructions given, as I told earlier. The comprehension, in that one the instructions are given, and or the directions are given, we have to follow that one. But here the common is only mentioning find out the odd terms, very simply. Okay, no any instructions are given or nothing is mentioned, directly the four options are given. Out of that one we have to choose some things, means on this one we can say that this is the question, main question. Okay, for question 1 to 15, this is the main instruction, or we can say the information. Mostly this is the information what we have to do. For this one we have to find out the odd term. This is very simple. Now in question number 1 there are the four options: southeast, northeast, this is the one option, then east west, okay, and then northeast, southwest, and south and north. Okay, if you see common things is that all are the opposite directions, here also opposite directions. Okay, and northeast and the southwest, this is also the opposite direction. Okay, but the southeast and the northeast, these are not the opposite directions, so that's why this is the different than the other thing. Okay, so the question number 2, timid, then coward, then teal and shy. If you see timid, coward, and shy, all are the synonyms, or we can say the very similar meaning. Okay, but the teal is a very different than this one. Teal means something money box, or we can say the money drawer in a shops or something like this one. So teal is the different. Then question number 3, Guava, then custard apple, then mango and pomegranate. So guava having the we can say many seeds, even custard apple also have the many seeds, then pomegranate also have the many seeds, but mango have only one seed. This is the now segregation. Okay, so on the classification basis, mango is different than the other three. Then colt, then cub, deer, and calf. The calf, cub, and the colt all are the animal babies, but deer is not an animal baby's name. Deer is an animal. So this option number three is the different one. Question number five: house, then plant, then palace, and mansion. Okay, so mansion is the also some of the palace or some building or some imperial type of the building, or we can say the big hall type of the building. But house, plants, and all are the like a building, or we can say the something like a similarities. Okay, structure wise. But plant is a very different. This is we can say the natural or other all the man-made like this one also. So the plant is the different one. Now the question number six, guava, then rose, jasmine, and lily. In this one, rose, jasmine, and lily are the flowers, and the guava is the fruit. Then question number seven, cake, buttermilk, paneer, and butter. So if you see buttermilk, paneer, and the butter all are made from the milk after the something process, but the cake is not from the milk. So cake is totally different than the milk products. Question number 8, rickshaw, taxi, car, and aeroplane. Now, in here, some we can say guess for the number of tires or something, but very different. We cannot know. But there is the one common things to make it one distinguish that rickshaw, taxi, and car all are the road transports. Okay, but the airport is not a road transport. It's a flying means in air. So air mode transportation. So that's why airplane is the different one. Question number 9, cucumber, tomato, palak, and carrot. Now, carrot, tomato, and the cucumber all are the vegetable fruits. Okay, but palak is not a vegetable fruit, it's a only vegetable. So, the palak is the different one. Question number 10, Vaishak, Ashad, Kartik, and Jeshta. All are the, we can say the Hindu calendar months. In this one, the only as per the books also there is a mention that all these also have the 31 days. Ashad also have the 31 days, and Vaishak also have the 31 days, and the Kartik has the 30 days. Means similarity means Kartik have the minimum days. Means as per the comparison on our days, Kartik is the smaller month, so the Kartik is the different. Then the question number 11, plank, bag, notebook, and gardener. Notebook and the bag, all are the things, okay. But the gardener is the different one, okay. Means the person who is doing this something gardening, okay. So we can say the person's identification and means non-living things we can say. So that's why gardener we can say the living things. So that's why this is the different one. Then the question number 12, nose, ear, hand, and leg. If you counting wise, if you see or make a classification, nose is single, but ear, hand, and legs are in a pair. Means two numbers in a quantity. Means in a pair, but nose is only single quantity. So the nose is different than the others. Then the question number 13, dog, beach, then a lord, lordly, then tiger, tigress, and emperor, empress. Okay, so these are the feminine and masculine, 1, 3, and the 4. But the second option, lord, lordly, is not a feminine and the masculine. Means there is no distinguish between the genderness. So the option number 2 is the different. Okay, then the question number 14, pond, village, trees, and banana. Now here pond, village, and banana, here the common things are these are the singular, but the trees are the plural. So that's why trees are the different one. Question number 15, Kolhapur, Pandharpur, Nagpur, Solapur. Now in this one, if you see, all are the district except Pandharpur. Pandharpur is not a district. Okay, so that's why this is a different one. Thank you.